Hey, hi guys. I had been getting a lot of questions around the importance of specializations on top of basic curriculums. Right. So in this video, I'm going to be particularly talking about my experience while I had been hiring for a lot of companies in the last 12, 13 years, heading global talent acquisition. And what is that we see that the students or youth talents are missing as they graduate, right? So in my personal experience, I have seen people from varied educational streams, people from different education streams, could be mechanical, civil. This is all I have seen in my last experiences. Could be from a chemical engineering, automotive engineering streams, also people from BSc mathematics and various other curriculums, even people from MBAs land up in IT or a technology based company and they grow their career. Not necessarily programming or software is what I'm trying to say here. They have made up their careers and created fortunes for themselves working for tech and high tech companies. So when I'm saying this for youth graduates and fresh graduates and youth talents, one basic important aspect to note is that today, colleges, universities help students to achieve or attain a graduation, and that's like a fundamental. But beyond that, what they lack is the industry knowledge, the focus on where the industry is heading to, how can they specialize on a particular field. I'm not only talking about specialization in terms of your core subject. Say, for example, if you are pursuing your engineering, then you may need to choose a specialization. Could be electronics or communications or automobile, mechanical, instrumentation. I had been an instrumentation engineer myself. If you go check out my transition videos of how I transition my own career. So what I'm trying to say here is these are your basic curriculums which is being offered by colleges. So on top of this, today everybody is getting specialized. Even organizations have their learning budgets and enforce or reinforce learning for their employees. So even when you become a successful corporate employee over a period of time, you're going to be learning based on that particular project, domain, various skills, and technology today is going to be outdated tomorrow. So to stay on top of the tech evolvements, not necessarily the core technology, for you to be able to future-proof your career. So specialization plays a very important role. So corporates will pay more attention or more keen to speak to you, number one, or more keen to hire people from you because you've already done some specializations on top of basic curriculums. Even for as a consumer, when we look at specialized products, this is specialized in this. It's very important to specialize in your graduation and in your career as well, right? So it's not difficult to choose a specialization, but the path or the way that you choose specialization is important. Why I'm saying this is because I have wasted about initial few years of my career without knowing and just taking up jobs that came my way and trying to explore. I don't want you to do that, right? I don't really want you to do that because when I was a graduating student, there was no one who could tell me where the industry is heading to, how industries are being evolving, how are the modernized job functions, looking at how to become a corporate ready workforce, etc. But today, at least I'm there, and there are a lot of people in my community who is ready to help and coach students, youth talents, fresh graduates to choose specialization. And once you choose the specialization, then you need to build your talent influence. You need to build an attractive, keyword-friendly CV. You need to start attracting your gigs, projects, internships, jobs, careers, etc. Right? So for you to start attracting, for you to be in the attractive zone, right? So that you are being attracted by organizations. I've seen people who have done specializations are landing up in multiple options and multiple offers, right? So this is one truth and one fact that is evident. Specialization is one thing which is very, very important for youth students today, and a lot of readiness programs are available, but trust me, they are only giving you knowledge in terms of being confident, how to position yourself, how to build a CV and all of that, but not really making you corporate ready, making you job ready, making you career ready, or making you future ready workforce, right? So this is very important for you to future proof your career. For you to attain job readiness, you need to, number one is choose a specialization, and inside the community we give you the menu card of options for you to choose from, a lot of actionable insights for you to activities to do and identify your passion, your niche, career niche and then align it with your specialization. So see you inside the community and look forward. All the best.